Hello guys, you're welcome to another one of my videos. Now in this video I just wanted to make an announcement, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I'm gonna be doing with the channel starting forward. I've not really taken any seriousness to actually growing the YouTube channel, but lately I feel like I can actually do something meaningful with it. And there's a lot of things currently going on with me that I feel like it could help me get back on track to just work on my YouTube channel and see if I can actually try to grow it to get a lot of people to watch, and if I can have useful content to create. And to do this, I actually have a couple of ideas. They're actually really crazy, which is the reason why I want to embark on this in the first place. So a couple of things I would like to do with the channel going forward is it's not gonna be a programming channel anymore. I mean, I'm still gonna do programming related stuff and tutorials and things like that, but it's gonna be mostly just personal stuff. I'm gonna post random things on the channel, entertainment, anything that's fun for me to create. I'm gonna be posting on this channel from now henceforth. So I feel like this is gonna be useful personally for me. It's gonna help me get off on a lot of things, because you can think of me as like a freak, because I don't actually do much with my life and I'm pretty boring. So I'm trying to make something interesting out of my life, and this is exactly the reason why I want to kind of take this YouTube thing a little bit seriously. And who knows, maybe I can make a couple of some things out of it, because I live in Nigeria, and Nigeria is pretty let's just say that it's not a really nice place for people like us, especially coming from where I come from. And anyway, I just wanted to make the announcement that I'm gonna be posting a lot of random shit, and if you're interested in that, you should just hit the damn subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, you don't have to do anything anymore. Just make sure that the notification button is turned on, and we're going to go crazy on this channel. That's what I was going to say. All right, anyways, see you guys in the next subsequent crazy videos, and take care.